Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a quick video on a really simple way to repair a broken plastic flat car, whether it's Lionel or Marx. This is Lionel, of course. And what happens many times is the truck will get broken off, and the entire mount for the truck is broken off, which leaves you this big gaping hole. So there's not a whole lot you can do with it. So what I do is I use a tapered reamer and open this hole up. And you can go down to the hardware store and get these wooden hardwood tapered plugs. And these are used in, I would say, covering a screw in the side of a bookcase. And you just tap this into position and you filled the wooden hole. And the same exact principle here. You have a tapered hole from that tapered reamer, a tapered plug. So you put 1 drop of 5-minute epoxy on this, slide it into the hole, push it flush, drill a hole in it, and then you can remount the truck. It's really simple. You can get this absolutely flush in this plastic. Now, just to show you how easy this works, this one still needs to be opened up just a bit. So a tapered reamer, a couple of turns, and like I said, this will just slide into position. A drop of 5-minute epoxy, drill a small pilot hole, re-drill your holes for mounting your trucks, and you're up and running. So a really, really simple way to repair a broken flat car. It works, it costs virtually nothing, it only takes a minute, and it will virtually last forever. So these hardwood tapered plugs, they work really well. It's a really, really simple fix for these gaping holes when the trucks have been broken off. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video. It works, it's simple, it's cheap, free almost. And the best thing about it is it saves a useless flat car, brings it back to life. It only takes you a couple minutes. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.